It is a 92,000 crore industry which employs more than 1.2 million people.
Many specialized institutes catering to the industry have mushroomed in the recent past. It's a fine era to consider jewelry designing as a career preference.
Gems and jewelry industry is today a very fast growing industry. It is getting more professionalized, getting more organized. So there are a lot of opportunities for youngsters to be part of this industry.
Solitaire Diamond Institute is the first gems and jewelry institute started in Bangalore in the year 2009. It was in the year 2001 when I finished my graduation, and there is where my career in gems and jewelry started. I joined a retail outlet. I worked there for 3 years. I was very good at marketing. I was selling a lot of stuff, a lot of gold, diamonds, but always there used to be a question which was haunting me, that when I'm selling diamonds, do I exactly know what I'm selling? And the biggest answer I used to get is no, I don't know about diamonds, though I was selling a lot of diamonds. There is where I decided, after 3 years of my training, I went to Surat to learn about diamonds. There is where I learned about cutting and polishing of diamonds. Then I came back to Mumbai. There I learned about the assortment of diamonds, understood the market properly. Then I came back in 2005. I opened my own wholesale trading firm. And while I was trading, I also realized that a lot of my jeweler friends, while they were also selling diamonds, there was a lack of knowledge of diamonds and gemstones. So there is where I realized that we can start off with an institute which can encompass the whole gems and jewelry sector.
Gemology. Gemology is a scientific study of gemstone which involves the study of mineralogical fundamentals such as formation, genesis, locality, physical property and identification of gemstone.
Getting started with jewelry designing. Previously, there was only a single way to learn this skill. That is, only apprentice to an experienced jeweler could get into this profession. But these days, one can take up a diploma course in jewelry designing after secondary school. We at Solitaire Diamond Institute provide various courses catering to gems and jewelry industry, and one could be from any field.
Indian diamond industry is not only growing rapidly but also modernizing fast. Since only 10% of this entire industry falls under organized sector, diamond industry in India demands more technically qualified people. Standardized diamond grading system facilitates right valuation for diamonds. Solitaire Diamond Institute provides intense training in diamond grading at par with international standards. We provide in-depth knowledge about local diamond market.
Computer-aided jewelry designing is another innovation in the field of jewelry designing. With the advancement of technology in the past few years in the field of jewelry, CAD designing is becoming an integral part of jewelry manufacturing process. CAD is very user-friendly and can be easily learnt and adapted by anybody with basic knowledge of the computers. CAD is a boon for jewelry designers and manufacturers who are into mass production. A 3D model jewelry piece can be designed on the system within few minutes and can be shown to the customer the way the final jewelry piece would look like even before manufacturing it. It also designs jewelry pieces that would be difficult and time consuming to manufacture manually. This process also helps us in reducing the cost of wastage. Until recently, CAD was an expensive technology restricted to aerospace and automobile industries. Today, special 3D modeling softwares can create precise designs of your bespoke jewelry.
And it was in 2009 where we conceptualized Solitaire Diamond Institute. Initially we started with diamond grading and jewelry designing, and today we have got various courses in the form of gold appraisal, CAD in jewelry designing, and manual jewelry designing, gemology, and various other corporate training programs.
I think SDI is a young institute doing a good job in creating awareness among students and the jewelry trade about diamonds grading, about diamond various other activities, also about the sales training for the diamond industry. So it's doing a very good job.
India is one of the largest gems and jewelry market in the world. There was time when your grandma's old jewelry may be treasured as a pricey heirloom, but they simply do not hold a candle to the existing style being worn today. Jewelry these days is exclusive and contemporary. People are very image cognizant. They don't want jewelry as a representation of financial security, but to make a fashion statement and also as trends wear that suits different occasions.
During our course, students will come across minimum 1000 diamonds. We also cover the subjects like fancy cut, pricing, grading of mounted jewelry. In short, you can say we shape a student from a rough diamond to a bright faceted diamond. By the end of the course, students will be able to grade, sort and value diamonds. Knowledge becomes important today since customers are well informed.
We at SDI follow world-class teaching standards to teach you to identify gemstone using various tools and instruments.
I wanted the best of the faculty who had the market knowledge, which is local as well as international, and the amenities and infrastructure what I provide should be world class, and the quality of education should be world class, and we also have limited number of students so as to provide proper individual attention. SDA started with 12 students, and till date, today we have trained more than 400 plus people.
SDI being a first diamond jewelry grading and jewelry designing institute in Bangalore, it is very helpful for the industry. Today's scenario, we require trained manpower.
SDA has gained good name in the span of couple of years. I know the few people who are benefited from this institute. I really appreciate the vision of this institute to give a good training solutions of world-class standards.
We are happy to be associated with SDI.
We provide 100% placement assistance to students who are doing our course.
SDI, just like a solitaire which has got very high value in the diamond arena, I think this SDI, the Solitaire Diamond Institute, is also one of the finest thing ever to happen to Bangalore.
It has benefited me in lots of ways. I can understand that. Indirectly, my sales have gone high because of that. Because customer find that confidence in me when they ask me that question. Because this is what I have learned from SDI.
Solitaire Diamond Institute has done a fantastic job. Their programs by themselves are very nice. Also their tailor-made programs to suit the requirements of specific jewelers are very good. In fact, we've done a couple of programs with them. Almost about 30 to 35% of our staff have been trained by the Solitaire Institute.
I've been seeing there's a lot of change in the staff. They are coming with confidence. They are talking the language, what customers are required. So I think Ashok has done a wonderful job. I wish him all the best.
We are a life member of the All India Gems and Jewelry Trade Federation Mumbai, which is a national gems and jewelry body. And we are also a life member of Bangalore South Jewelers Association. We also got nominated in the South India Jewelry Show, which is organized by the Art of Jewelry magazine. We also got nominated in the All India Achievers Foundation.
My colleagues and in my designer team has been trained by SDI, and they are doing well in my career. Even some of the designs you may see in my stalls also have been designed by them. Right now, when the scenario is when the diamond markets are opening up, certified diamonds have added value to the whole diamond trade. I think this was the most needed sort of institute we all were looking forward.
And the right time Solitaire Diamond Institute has opened, and they are doing proper education to all the students. And day by day it is being improved, and it is coming to the state of art levels. So it is very good to have Solitaire Diamond Institute.
But SDI is giving a lot of practical knowledge which is most required for the industry, and which would help the students who are coming out of this institute to be placed very immediately.
You know, you can also in some sense go to a college and learn from a so-called professional institute, but somebody who is a professional, who is doing the business day in and day out, and that person willing to go and train outsiders, train newcomers, train experienced hands, that's really, I think, is the only one.
So what makes me more happy is the students' feedback. When they give feedback of how they have grown in life after learning the courses here, after doing the courses here, after being successful in the market, and that motivates us a lot to grow and give more and more. I am Dilip Kalera.
Raghavendra.
Ankit Jain.
Hi, I'm Raksha. It's Meenu Nivya Navidya. I'm Rashmi Dalwani. I'm Artana Jain.
Hi, I'm Sukumar.
I'm Akshita. Ishita. Shivani Sharma. I'm Shruti. Computer designing, and I'm now pursuing my diploma in jewelry design.
Pursuing diploma in diamond trading.
And it's a life-changing experience.
I've been a part of SDI since 2 years. I've completed all the courses.
It was one of the best institutes I've come across. After coming to SDI, it's been very encouraging to become a professional jewelry designer.
If you are looking for an institute with a soul, a student-friendly institute, then SDI should be on top of your list.
Explicit knowledge has helped us.
It's been really wonderful.
This is a very good experience for me.
As a student at SDI, my experience was wonderful.
I sincerely suggest everyone who wants to do something in jewelry field to come and do courses here.
Friendly yet very professional, so you can always go back to them. I'll be ever grateful to SDI for their support, encouragement. I wish them infinite years of success.
I wish SDI success.
I'm proud to be a solitaire.
I'm honored to be a solitaire.
This institute will rock.
Know more about jewelry and get involved in it. Thank you.
Join us and be a part of this glittering industry.
Come, be a part of SDI, where creativity meets excellence.